Our player from Argentina, he just received a 2-year ban. For what?
He tested positive. It was before the World Cup. They had doping tests during the World Cup, and
he passed them.
He passed those.
Yeah.
There's an ingredient that he tested positive for. One of the things it's found on is cough syrup. So
Jarabe. He tested positive for a substance in Sevilla because he had taken a drink from the cough syrup for his son.
every time I try to give medicine to my daughter, I drink some so she can see that I'm drinking some so she will drink it herself. I don't know if that's enough to test positive.
I don't believe it. I know.